Hello and welcome to RealDealEV.com. Today we're going to be going over how to replace a ugly peeling driver's side door switch. So if you've watched some of the other videos, you know how to get the door panel off. You're going to basically disconnect the two screws and the one 10mm bolt and then yank it essentially off, disconnect all your plugs. And now you're going to get to the point where you're going to start removing the total of 8 screws that are in this window switch. So there's 4 T25s, those are the ones I'm demonstrating now, and then underneath of this is 4 T8s. The T25s, the ones that I'm doing now, you don't have to do these. This is just a bracket that holds it into place, but what I found is oftentimes this will get in the way when you're trying to push down the new one back into the housing. So it's easy, you're already there removing the other ones anyways, so that way you don't have to mess with it later on getting in the way. After this, you're going to swap out your T25 Torx to T8 Torx. I sped this up a little bit. We were going kind of slow. So here's our T8, and there's going to be 4 silver screws underneath of the housing. So you see the 1, 2, 3, 4. And as soon as these are gone and removed, then the whole window switch will actually just push out the front side of the door. All 4 of them are removed now. So now I pull the bracket up, push the window switch out of the way, and now you have the old crummy looking window switch with all the peeling, and I'm replacing it with this brand new one here that you can get on RealDealEV.com. Same plugs, everything's the exact same, just prettier. Next thing you're going to want to do is make sure you got it in the correct orientation. Obviously you don't want to put it in backwards. So once you push it in, you're going to slide the bracket back down into place. Move your insulation out of the way. Make sure it's fully seated in there. Now you're going to put your T8s back in. I like to hand thread them in just to make sure that they're actually going into the correct hole. Don't want to put them in the wrong hole. After you get your last screw in, you're going to flip her over, examine your work, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. You can find them in the upper right hand corner. Thank you.